Hi, my name is Benjamin. I'm a juggler, and you're about to be. Recently, I taught a workshop with Sparkle Academy about juggling, and I'm here today to teach some juggling. But ball juggling, it's a dime a dozen on the internet, so we brought you something that's a little harder to learn. Plate juggling. Are you ready? Let's go. Oh, hey, thanks for sticking around. You know, plate juggling, you don't need 3. It's too much to think about for now. Take 2 of them, get them out. We're going to start with 1, and I'm going to teach you a juggling sequence with 1 plate. Here's what it looks like. No, calm down. I know what you're thinking. Benjamin, that's too much. I can't afford that many plates. It's okay. Grab your practice plate. That's where we all start. Trick number 1. Take your hand, put it out flat. We're going to learn a trick called the arm curl. It looks like this. It's not as hard as you think. Here's what you're going to do. Take the plate and just put it under your elbow. Step 1. Step 2, take the back of your hand, put it over your face. There it is. Step 3, come back to normal. Here we go. Trick number 1. Trick number 2. Trick number 2. You're going to flip the plate. How do you do that? Well, let me tell you. Take your hand and just move your wrist. That's really all it is. So, arm curl into plate flip. You're already a juggler. Let's move on. Trick number 3, catching the plate on your elbow. You'll notice something. It uses the same trick we just learned. The flip combined with catching it on your elbow. How do you get your elbow in the position, you might ask? Put your hand against your chest. Look at the arrow that your elbow is making. Just put the plate there. It just stays there. It's pretty neat. You're better than you thought. So combine those 2, flip to catch. Trick number 4. You're going to let the plate fall now, and you're going to catch it. No. You will. I believe in you. You'll notice that right at the end of the fall, if you just unbend your elbow, it's right at the same spot the plate is. Just take your thumb, clip it in. That simple. In full speed, in slow motion, there's no slow motion in life. That's just how we do things. The final step, putting them all together. Flat hand, and go for it. Arm curl, flip, catch, catch. You got that? You're a juggler. Thanks for being here today. Thanks for trying something new. Thanks for putting your dinnerware at risk. It's been great having you here, and well, we'll see you next time. Where did I put my plates? Ah! Ugh. Okay. Yeah, that's right. Oh, you're still here. So I'm sure you're busy trying this, but if you come up with anything cool or new, make sure to tag Sparkle Theatricals in a social media post, and we'll repost it. Go make art.